Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here at the beautiful Palolem beach in South Goa, and today I'm going to take you somewhere new. So in the distance at the background you can see that island. So nobody really goes there. Most people just stick to the main beach, but we are just going to go there and I'm going to show you around that area. So I'm with my wife Sharon today.
Good morning.
So So we are going to go around and I'm going to show you the beautiful place here in Palolem, guys. So let's go. They have these incredible rocks which are like the most Instagrammable place here in Goa. So let's go and check out this beautiful place. So guys, the aim is to go at that end there, and when we go to that end we have to start walking, and we're going to walk across and go to the island from over there. So this can only be done in the early morning. You cannot do this later in the evening because the tide will come up and there is no way of crossing from over there. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to zoom into there. I'm going to go there and I'm going to reach there and then I'll show you guys. So we are going to walk across this mud flat which is here. As I told you, you cannot come here when the tide is up. So make sure you come back before the tide comes up, otherwise you're going to be stuck there. Of course, there is a hotel there, so you can stay there for the night. But I wouldn't recommend staying here for the night unless you're staying as a guest for a long time. So let's just look around. This is the mud flat. Here is very, very beautiful. The greenery is very beautiful. There are some beautiful hills up there, and the water here is warm, and surprisingly it's warm. Yeah, so the water is warm. Wow. So Palolem has these beautiful rocks where you can't find these kind of rocks in most places in Goa. This is one of the only places that actually has these rocks. While crossing here, make sure you find the area which is the most shallow. So let us see where we're going. So we're going to go shallow. Be ready to get wet because it can be quite deep at some places. So look at the water. It's like this cool.
Oh, now it's full this time.
Oh my god, the water suddenly turned cold, like ice cold, guys. It's so nice.
It's like massage.
So we will have to wade through the water. There are no fish here. Wow, it's so nice. So let's zoom out a bit and show you the surroundings here. So that area, there is all foreigners because most of the foreigners like to go. There's a lake kind of thing there, so it's full of foreigners that side. It's maybe 10 foreigners right now. So Palolem, if you watch my other videos, has a lot of foreigners. And something which is very cool here is sometimes you get a lot of starfish here. This is seaweed. These are not starfish, these are seaweed. So let's go across and see this place. So I have to be really careful because the tide is quite high. As you can see there, it is those people. It is quite deep. So that's the depth. So make sure you keep your phone and everything properly so you don't get it wet. So guys, I'm gonna cross now and then I'll start recording from across there because it's quite dangerous. So there is, because what happens is, as I told you, this is the river this side. So since it's the river, both the tides flow in here, so you have to be really careful when crossing here. So let's go across. Okay guys, so we made it here. We crossed across, and just to tell you guys, we live on that end of the beach. So imagine how far we walked. It's probably been like 2 or 2.5 kilometers, 3 kilometers. So Sharon's, what do you like about this place? Is nice.
There's less crowd in here.
So there's less crowd. There's hardly any people, and look at these rocks, guys. It is so beautiful here. So you can click beautiful pictures here. And we are going to go to the Shark Rock now, which is the most iconic place here. That's the Shark Rock, yep. And there are some other rocks here. This looks like maybe clams. Oh, it, Sharon's saying it looks like bread, her local bread here. This one. So look at this. So this is beautiful. Look at these rocks here. Very nice. And we're going to go up ahead, and then we're going to find the Shark Rock, which is this one, guys. So the shark, one guy has drawn like a shark on it. He's a foreigner. I forgot his name. I was supposed to do my research, but my bad. So this is the Shark Rock. Okay, his name is here, I think. So let's look here, guys.
Oh, yeah, I think that's his
Oh, his name is Trip Diaries. So see, that's how the Shark Rock looks like. How cool is that? So if you've seen the Machai, this is how you click pictures here, and this is the rock. Very, very beautiful. And that's the main Palolem beach. So guys, over here there's quite a lot of trash, which is unfortunate as always. Please guys, when you come here, clean up your trash. Don't throw stuff here, because it destroys the beauty of this place. This place is so beautiful, and to lose out on its beauty is really sad. Okay, so let me just tell you. Okay, so there are some rocks here, and that is the island over there, and we'll see if we can cross and go to the island. But if not, let me just show you what it looks like here. So there is a hotel there in the distance. Hi. Water? No, I didn't carry water.
Is there any shop here nearby?
Yeah,
How close?
there, that one.
Okay,
The
that's the
first, yeah. So he wanted water. I didn't carry any water today, which is very surprising. I'm always prepared, but I don't get tired that easily. Ah, so beautiful. So guys, these rocks here. Okay, there's something to tell you. If you want to collect shells, there are lots of shells on this beach. Pretty ones too. So for you ladies, if you want to collect some shells, this is the place to come. Very beautiful. And these are the rocks here, so you have to wade across the rocks. I mean, not wade across, but walk across the rocks here. I would recommend wearing slippers here, because there are lots of sharp objects and like glass pieces and stuff. So always make sure you watch your step while coming here. So just to show you guys. But this is like Instagram paradise, you know. You want to click some pictures, then you have to come here. Wow. So it's been 10 years since I last came here, and I gotta say, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, like it literally takes your breath away. You can actually go to that island from there. So I'm gonna wait for Sharon, but let me just show you guys around more before, and then what I'm going to do later is I'm going to take my drone out and show you guys this place, which is so beautiful. Wow guys, I'm speechless. How beautiful is this place? So, oh my god, there's like a literally like a fish the size maybe bigger than my hand that just jumped there. Wow. So guys, this place is hardly ever visited by people. Most people don't come here, and most people don't know about this area and how beautiful it is. So what you got to do is definitely come here. Wow. So I'm giving you like a walking tour for many of you who can't make it here, and show you how beautiful it is. Don't worry, once I take out the drone and show you guys, it's going to be incredible because oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at that, guys. How amazing is that?
So this is the end of the beach, and you can see that there are, like, rock pools here. If you really don't know how to swim but you want to swim, maybe you can swim here. It's not what's this, it's quite clean. The water is clear, and you can go a little further ahead there, and you can still swim. And that's the island there. There's nothing in this island, but I mean, around this time you can click good pictures for memories and for Instagram as well. And I think you can go a little bit further that side if you want to click more pictures, especially that portion right there, like, the reddish part, that side. It's nice. You can see some of the tourists are there taking some nice pictures. And of course, if you want privacy, you can always come here, because there are no hardly I mean hardly people come this side, because this is right at the end of the beach. So that's it, guys.
I can't seem to look away. I'm hypnotized by you. I can't do what you say. I'm hypnotized by you.
That is it from here at the Palolem island. And thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. And I'll be showing you lots of other beautiful places here in Goa, guys, as I'm a local. So I'll be showing you some of the best and most beautiful places. Thank you for watching.